Well spent a lot of time on Sunday on this TR4, getting it running. I found a bunch of short circuits in this thing that have been odd. I found a couple of problems on the band selector switch itself. There was a little finger that wasn't making contact, and that had the 40 meter, 80 meter, 20 meter bands all askew with the RF2 knob here. I also found this RF2 knob. This variable capacitor here was loose, it wasn't tightened down well, and the grounds seemed all kind of funny on it. So went through that, fixed the grounds. I put a little bit of detox in here just to make it move a little better for lubrication. And just lots of loose connections to this thing. Really, really bad news. Anyway, this thing now has an AGC problem. You can listen to some people talking here. And these Drakes usually have a very smooth S meter where it has AGC action. This one does not. There's no AGC, so.
They say the ESU system is much, much better as far as the audio reproduction is concerned. Go ahead.
Yeah, that's what one of the other guys has said as well. That's the guy up there in Morongo Valley.
Seems like there's also like an intermittent short in this thing still somewhere, so still might have a bad tube or short. It's just not working right.
Quite a nice thing, and of course you can work it through your telephone too, so that you can just be in your car.
It receives and works and it transmits, but it's not receiving correctly.
Yep, I've read all of that, and I just haven't taken the leap to do that sort of thing. I'm still having.
Well, one thing I didn't think of was jumping out this noise board here, this noise blanker board. I wonder if that's the issue. That's something which is an unknown for me here with this radio. I could just make it work straight through and see what that does. Take it out of the circuit, or at least jump it for now and see if that corrects the problem. All right, now it's jumped. What'd that do?
Comment upon your audio. Let's see, I'm on the wide compression. Is it okay for right through there? Go ahead.
Yeah, your audio is good, and I've only got you at an F3.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I have the same microphone, I believe, as you, the PR781. And you have the 781 there, is that correct?
That's affirmative.
I had a 781. I loved it. I bought it off of eBay. It was DOA when I got it. I was so angry. I set it up to Brookser, or whatever the name is, up in North Dakota or South Dakota up there. The power supply had failed, which is a real big problem on them because that big axial fan in the back doesn't give enough air.
Yeah, there's a weird problem still that I got to figure out. It seems like it has sensitivity, but bad capacitor, bad tube. It's still got a nasty problem to figure out. This has been a really tough radio. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.